Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yeah, Radijo wa evo kesan. Sunu darek baba riwe evo kesan. Oni me aka murenya mekwe mwe dependent ire. Ewo azenova de na newo kida mu ni picture wi gbe na che onelu local government chairman. Ome wo se katanya. Abase 15 aregbe we picture akije mu no dagbare. Buwe selu wona ewo na. Ni maware le ni nyage we sa ore ma shan. Ona ewo ni maye na da bieme. Vincent gbegbe buwe seluwo wo vai amuni picture dagbare another local government chairman another local government chairman tie we don't need them mawaye ni ewo re determine man masses another chairman no sema or the party that determine mama we have to choose by ourselves. So no black power revise kavaj man iromo chose marive eje sagbere aye wari won we de o ebi o we le are kan so no black power why dan we de name you ono ba ho geda ne ba lo so ebi wari robo so ki achon oni ero me na wase we na ede we na re mi si ko ba dagbare ba migo ba fade ba migo ba do re lo mi mo wa banere won we de neru wa ki amigo nere awon ewo adono dagbe man emi so ri wonu mama ba me gbe so asege na re alo ase ewo ni bo ban le balu bi o to isan eke a che kidalo na ewo ne wo ri wa ni loya bada se ye me dare kuti picture na me wa se dare o si the chairman of the council ori apariwo no come wo mu no lo esi again no wa sere chin awen na bi council again no wa sere awen na bi council emi oya de egbere okiru ne vai okidore pa okime so wen na bi council ojo ya da lu YouTube o wa me agbe YouTube okire banale ami ebi sunu bebu adacha cho unoru wa ora bi Prince Saturday iyo omo ni di kala bie me la se da ni picture no se we dan na rounde maneri wa maile mi ebo ne asabore machan maile buwelu wono toisan ha to to romina mu awo wo wi aba ebu alu menya mu picture no se da gbare mani won na yen oye ne vai na message na bring that picture come out right now so that we will know we are voting for person that know the value of his land ono le ebewo no so eja ye ono asabo tujo de aman man na ma tota ebe ho ono asabo ho ewo oyo no kwa me pa no so na chege o ekire won ame ki agbomi ogoye Prince Saturday iyo me ase da picture no se me oni me ago re na re sa ko ri ako because we se luemi ni me dage no ko me dagogo o re panu we ye keke ore awon edonme won e wona da agbo soke weru na yo vai we ki do re sibe ni re emi esi avado na ewo na we ko vai wa beja agbo no juro mi o soke de ni we ba happy we van so ewo ne jare are wi ye man youth mari sabo boore ona ye ge na reche eni pe ataifo oye ni pe ataifo ma ye nya e makota o are tomono o makida alunya. So my brothers and sisters, anywhere you are, standing before you right now, the ultimate of Otoisan, The man never backslide because of money. The man that will stand for the truth till the day they do his part. I have told you, I have never seen anybody at those present pictures standing before you right now. So, Prince Saturday Iyoha, I take God beg you, come out. With you massively with stand in your back, and you have listening ear. We mo honore kaiho. Oda no mo honore kaiho. Oye mada rebel ekpeti. Oyo de anu avai no kwa me pa no so pa ko ale e dale. Ba doni because I will just consider on as ever dey na. Man you to that time. Me you to the youth meriwonibo because making bo wanre ekigbo re kan mother time or mother refi our local government chairman in 5 local governments. The 5 local government chairman me dey nega jerebe me dey don know ebo won ebo all no riani no no paru man na arena ebi mata oda se eni pe anare gwani gona ne ona boria e are ache ona ira rere mari sabota man maba ni dono riani e boy vade we are watch azen alube do state nanya ebi no basa kilu oya bo re da ru nere kan ebi no basa kilu o ayi da gbare woto udo da gbare woto ameda da gbare woto e da ro nine ebi re da chon nine oba spendi go oba mu go da gbare agai e de re gai go oba duna ne. So we will not be listening to money and suffering. We have to fight for our rights. Thank you. God bless you. Vajimando we are here. Prince Saturday you are. We are we picture no say that body. Because we are the one who near. Evi si devai. One we na there won say. We dem one we na. Oni me need no we alu menya. Prince Onsi Andrew. Yes, I know it's too early. Why I'm saying it, people are placing posters. They are placing posters, but I want to let you know. I know it's too early. I'm not having dispute about that. 6 months interval is not early. It's just 3 days. You are looking at my work well on the way. But any place posters in Anya, eki vai, eki do tamama, beda sabolu wine. Me mareva fioba. Oyo na boche jado aga 5,000. Reva fioba hu. Biba da lu man bo toy san biba da re san wan ye ba de khun abe pa no seba o ba de mo kho igo na location the government rere emi no so toy san bo ba de ro wena de san eni o ye se da atanya eni o ye must need babu wa ko. God bless you now for that one today. Tomorrow you hear another one about Isha matter, but let me call this one now. I'm coming to Nigeria problem. We are an independent now. Hey, suffering of 60 years independence. Nigeria got an independence 1960. We were made a republic 1963. We told the white men to go that we are capable to take care of ourselves. We fought them with great pioneers. Chief Tafawa Balewa, Chief Tolenaho, blessed memory. Nnamdi Azikiwe, blessed memory. Obafemi Awolowo, great pioneer. They stood up and said, yes, we are capable to get our independence. That we are ready to manage our economies and balance our diet in good form. But since we got an independence, where are we right now? They made that a parable that the fool at 40 is a fool forever. We are not full of 60. We are no longer full of 40. We are backsliding. 20 years interval, we are full of 80. And that means the age is no longer our side again. How can we survive? A country whereby job opportunity is not respected. A country where God has blessed with honey and milk and oil and fertile. The few people are passing with the big money, the rest are hungry. Then we the youth are clapping for them. Killing every day in this country. destroying the economics in this country. You are telling me you are celebrating an independent? Fuck you, President Muhammadu Buhari. Fuck you. You are a motherfucker. You are a negative Africa. You are a negative Nigeria. President, presiding officer, I don't believe that you are a good Africa. You come out, be telling us nonsense that that God have blessed, God have given everything on earth to use, that we will not have the amenity to use it, that we will be suffering. I want to ask you a question, President Muhammadu Buhari. You are a disgrace to this country. When you came on board, when everybody were shouting for you, say Baba, we don't ever know that, say devil. You are a devil. You are an incarnate. You are a Lucifer to this country. Say Baba, everybody say yes. We say PDP no good. Mo will carry APC come. APC come, they collapse the country. They made the country ungovernable to the masses. They destroyed the nation. When you are in this country, if I was 80-something naira, rice of bag of rice, which the commodity take was 8,000 something. But if you come the very day you come, the next day you add justice to everything, you inflate everything, you destroy the country. We did not need our 60-year-old man again in power. Before God and my brothers, God and bless you, I want to let you people know right now, the youth are the problem of this country, of Africa. The youth cannot ask for employment. They are asking for 5,000 for 4 years suffering. They will go and carry gun to kill their opponent because of 5,000. They don't even think about their welfare. If government is paying the youth right now 100,000 naira, which they take twerking an eye, as they just do it like this opener, that 100 million don't enter their account, paid all the whole youth in Nigeria, we will not be waiting for government. And this money is there. A policeman and a soldier man is receiving 65,000 a month, whereby and a senator in Nigeria is receiving only that 300 something million a month, not wardrobe allowance. The rep are receiving only than 600,000 a month, not 600 million a month, no wardrobe allowance. Where are we going? The youth are the problem. Now they celebrate independence. Fuck their independence. Fuck their independence before God and man. Let's fight for our right. If they want to share, demarcate the country, let everybody go their own. That to be beaten around the bush. No water to drink, no good road, no electricity, no health. Oh God of Nazareth, no free education. Then you are telling me you are celebrating 60. Any man are from 1960. If the youth want to fight for their rights, now be the problem. You are taking small money to enjoy suffering. I know that what is happening is because no job opportunity. I want to let you know that there are job opportunity in your mind, which you will do. People do shoemaker and their daily living. People push wheelbarrow and their daily living. But let's tell the government, we don't need that kind of money that they are giving us to come and kill ourselves for them. Whereby their children, they cannot come and cast their vote for them. Their children will be in diaspora in different of all kind of foreign country, going to good education. Then we are suffering here. What are we celebrating? Fuck motherfucker. See Nigeria, see Africa. Every blessed day we are talking about road, talking about light. Whereby the modern world are not talking about road again. They are talking about technologies. See the debate of America. Are they telling you that road spoil for Adapoya, road spoil for Benin, road spoil for Onitsha? Check the whole road in Nigeria. No one is motorable. If you are coming from Lagos, everywhere disaster. If you are going to Igbo land, east, everywhere disaster. If you are going to south, everywhere, not everywhere disaster. Then you are not still clapping for them. You want Buhari to remain there. President Muhammadu Buhari resign. Leave this country alone. Let young generation rule this country. I tell God, beg you. Don't even tell us nonsense. We don't even need your explanation because you are failed woefully. You are a disgrace to this country. APC, Aboki People's Congress. We say native oil no good, we go back groundnut oil. And a groundnut oil na was pass. We say PDP no good, we go bring APC. Now Aboki na can spoil everywhere. When you were coming, we look sent in your face. We don't know your mind is blacker than the charcoal. You are not whiter than the snow. You are a Lucifer. What are you explaining in the Independence Day? 60 years interval, no light in your country. Is that not a shameful thing to you? Where did you want to take this money to? President Muhammadu Jubrin. Let the market ourselves. Let's share this country. Let the youth fight for their rights. Let me your ear, all the youths. The age is no longer my side. It's you I'm fighting for. We have been fighting this fight. The lawyers are manipulated to get their money. The judges are manipulated to get their money. The civil servants are manipulated to get their money. The government workers are manipulated to get their money. Are this money going to take you to heaven? Must you build a house in skyscraper before you know you are rich? What did you do in your community? What offer have you offered in your land whereby God has given you to govern? Do you think everybody own the cap to wear it? Do you know God give you that cap? Why are you misleading the cap that God has given to you? Check out the Senate, check out the rep, check out the governors, check out the House of Assembly, check out the local government chairmen. They are just scandalizing us. We are clapping for them. We are clapping for them all the time. We cannot fight for our right. They will not come on the election day. They will pump money. The typical example we need to do in Nigeria now, in Africa, let's start the truth. As we start the truth now from Edo State, that we are not voting for any party, we are voting for responsible humans. That we are not voting for hoodlums, we are voting, we are the masses. When they need us, they will come to lawyer. But when they don't need us, they will use their car and paint it with black it with the black screen, then put an orderly, put a soldier, face their house, put gate, nobody enter their deck. Let's fight for our rights. Our brothers are dying in the Mauritania Sea. They are intimidating our brother in diasporas. Oyibo man, they go to tell us, say we have money in Africa. Say our brothers who our stolers who stole the money, say they stole the money in this place. What are you doing here? If you see the intimidation, the humiliation that they are giving us in other neighboring Africa country here, South Africa are protesting Nigeria should leave their country. Buhari, you are still down there telling me you are doing 60, Buhari the grace. President Muhammadu Jubrin, you are the grace of this country. You are a fucking bastard. You are not fit to live. You deserve to be stoned to death. You come out, they tell us nonsense. What did you do since you enter power? What have you done? What did you did to us in this country? Did you give us only pipe-borne water to drink? Did you give us only good health, special hospital for free for us to rehabilitate ourselves? Did you give us light for we to see? When light comes, darkness run away. Since you come, you are inflating everything, adding justice, adding wahala, adding problem to our problem we are trying to eradicate. Then you are now putting more to us. We cannot longer eat rice, rice. You close the border, you close everything. Where we see small thing to eat, you close everything. All of them they pack up for our pocket. God go punch all of them Jesus name. All of them suffer. Any person will know me well for Africa. God no go allow us succeed. All the children, I will not abuse your children, but your children will sell those property to the people that own those property. Your house will liquidate. Jubrin, you are a disgrace. Buhari, you are a big disgrace to this country. Buhari, you are a fucking bastard. Uremamunu, you disgrace us. This is not what we do for you. We stood up for you. When we say good Lord Jonathan, they do. You know, ask him. We say no. As we come, say if you come, say everything will do all right. Boko Haram are killing our brothers. Every blessed day, jihadists are killing us. Every blessed day, Boko Haram are killing us. Every blessed day, Fulani Asme are killing us. They are attacking you people now. You know, see, they don't happen for now. Governor now they attack now. When they don't drive the poor rich where war day, poor will come out. Now, reach the turn. Now suffer the penalty. So we don't celebration of independence in this country is nullified. We don't need this celebration. Celebrate good health for us. Celebrate good road for us. Celebrate good water for us. America debate that yesterday they talk about road. Have you ever go to Spain, Germany, Holland, all those guys, Europe continent, Asia continent, that's Britain? They are talking about, when they are debating, they are saying road no good for this place, road no good for. They are talking about infrastructure, development of the land. Check the debate when Donald Trump and his brother did that day. You hear say they say road spoil for California, Washington DC road no dey, Oklahoma road no dey. They are talking how can they move their country forward. Technology, how can the country grow, how can the land be fertile so that unborn children will gain it. You are coming out to tell us that fuel, say in neighboring countries, say fuel, say our own self cheap pass. Wetin concern us? Are we not the owner of the fuel? What happened to the machine that the Britain break that you people first buy when the Murtala Muhammad, Tafawa Balewa, Nnamdi Azikiwe came on board? Chitu Nanago came on board. Una just dey carry the money dey go obodo oyibo go dey keep am, and this money una dey keep for there now, una no even dey neutralize am. E just on dormant. Why can't you use to repair your village? Why can't you fence your land? Why can't you make your people alright? Why can't you bring small scale industry? Why can't you do good things? Nobody should celebrate this independence. This independence is Ulabalo. Nigeria is a folk country. Ghana is driving us. 1980 something. We drive Ghana away from this country. A neighboring Africa country. Our mother, we are their father. Ghana are now putting 99% of Nigeria. They are in the prison in Ghana right now. South Africa are killing us, doing us like our no citizen. South Africa that we borrow money. That's Africa where we raise a money to fight for emancipation of black race, to fight for independence. Today they are driving us. The president stood up and come out. The prime minister come out. Everybody come out and say they should drive Nigeria away. Still our brothers, they are dying in the sea. Do you know countless numbers of brothers that die in the Mauritania Sea? When they are going to Libya, high sea. This one you survive, you know. Do you know the ones that sink? If you give all job opportunity, we are ending small money. Put small scale industry, neighbors everywhere. Put light. Only light alone in this country. There are technologies that can use light to manipulate and get his money. Fuck you. President Muhammadu Buhari, fuck you. You are a motherfucker. Say all of una, when they there, una supposed to retire. 60 years, government need to divide itself. If una no retire, let's share this country. Everybody cry your cry. Manage what you have. Everything will be all right. People cannot do it. God will come. And when the rock of God come, don't say that we the children of God did not alert you people. Every blessed day we are suffering. We are clapping for you people. Una carry policeman. Now una soldier and police. Now una be the disgrace before this country. Why I tell you that say una be the disgrace? You when they guide ordinary bloody civilian. Bloody civilian will carry Ghana must go give you, make you go put for inside a room. You dey receive 35,000 naira minimum wage and they are not even pay you. Teachers are not prepared. So the man will go to Sabisa Forest to go and kill himself. President Muhammadu Jubrin will be eating inside his room. Then all the whole Senate, House of Assembly, Board Authority, they will be enjoying. They will be saying to go and kill. Then they are killing you. You are still fighting for them. Tell them that no man is God. That they have to come down. If the military want to come to power, come to power. When military was in power, said we enjoy Nigeria. We enjoy Nigeria. The good government, they said, is a fuck government. Military, una no know una rights. Forget about the international community. International community, they are liar. They want us to die for them. They want all those idiots to be bringing the money for them. If they want to stop Boko Haram now, the President Muhammadu Buhari Mina, he go stop. Because they are ending from it, they are sponsoring it. There are some people that is taking money for them. They are sending on soldiers that don't even know what they are doing to dare to go and kill themselves. Soldier go to drink oration water. A whole sojo when we say now hold the tools, now they govern you, now they take your church. You go to drink erosion water. Food they no go see. Una when be soldier, when be police, when be DSS. Una still give the problem for this country. Small boy go find money come, una go arrest am. But person take money, then the mark go now for EFCC. See Nigeria, that one is just sweep under the carpet now. Nobody is talking again. It's not a useless matter. Is that good in this country? Is that good? Magu would have been behind banner when the money when they see for airport. None of it ask this man because of say immunity carry am. We when be commodity immunity no carry us. God go punish all of una. Any person want spoil Africa, na here they go take carry am. All the generation in Muhammad name. Anything you are serving, now go to the serve. It won't be served. We'll take and cost all of them. Now go kill all of una. Now no go better in life. As we destroy this country, now life no go better. See our brothers are dying in everywhere. We are suffering. We have everything. Everything is with us. The youth are clapping for them. Youth are shouting. Who are you, by the way? Are you the owner of the resources? Are you God that created everything? Are you God? It is not God that create you and create me, that create the resources for all of us to enjoy. Only you people and your children are enjoying it. Your children are going to the best school and has the best doctor in the world. Africa has the best engineer in the world. Africa has everything. There is nothing that is not in Africa. You people sold it out to the white man. White man is clapping for you. If you want to come up for, after you don't come up for power, now they go say you thief money. Buhari they take money, carry, they load money go now. All the name of sickness that time. Now sickness no deal. You don't load money finish now. Then una they clap for him. Then you are celebrating. Fuck independent. We don't need this independent. Let's fight. Let revolution come. Class. Let all the youth wake up. Let us go and tell them that no man is God. That Aso Rock does not build for a goat. He built for us. We are the owner of that Aso Rock. We cannot vote for party again. We vote for individual. And from 60 years president, 35 to 40, 40 to 50 is all right. If you are crossing 50, calm down. Let another man have an account. We cannot be using our own elderly fathers that have already fight for independence, that mismanage our economies, that have destroyed this country, that have made this country ungovernable to us, that made this country for us to be dying every time. If na like make una listen, na like make una no listen. The youth na be the problem. Una not see the suffering when they suffer they go now. See how they beat now for Kenya, beat now for everywhere, for Nigeria, for my country. Country when God bless. 1982, we drive Ghana away from this country. They carry motor, load Ghana come out. Now we say make Oyibo they go. Oyibo don't go, black and black then they fight. Few people are passing with the big money, the rest are hungry. Now they clap for them. Our brothers are suffering. Independent. Fuck you, fuck the independent. Independent is not what we are talking about. Now independent, we have to, everybody from president to down should come down. Let the youth reign. Let's fight for our generation, our future born children. 1980 something, Andrew want to check out. We say don't check out, Nigeria must survive. How can we survive? Whereby today we are liquidating more. You are telling me we will survive. I rest my case today. So no independent in this country. Let's share this country. Hello, brother. Hello. Hello. Then we don't need them. We don't need them. Don't need them at all. Hello.
My ambassador joking.
God bless you, my brother.
Yes. just watching your program, man.
Who am I speaking with, sir?
Yes, this you are speaking with David.
My brother, David, God bless you. I'm sick and tired of this country. The country is a mess.
Yes. That's what I am saying. We need to do mass burial for these bastards.
Wholeheartedly.
They are due for retirement.
Wholeheartedly.
We don't need to keep quiet anymore because we don't have anything to celebrate at 60. It's a shame.
It's a very big shame.
At 60, we can't even celebrate one thing. And all these useless leaders, they will be carrying our money, buying properties in other countries, buy investment in other countries. If you go to other countries now, you will see politicians, they are holding big business there, and those businesses are supposed to build those companies in Nigeria. But they will be carrying our money, and they will be letting the masses, we the youth, we are supposed to hold these resources to enjoy it, but they will be embezzling the money, and they will be saying that we should be celebrating independence. It's not possible. So the youth need to wake up. Revolution need to start, because if we are keep looking at them, they don't hold now. They need to retire. Imagine 60 years, Nigeria 60 years, and the government president of 90 years, 87, they will be there sitting, enjoying the money that you're supposed to enjoy. So, at least, thank God you are sharing this message. The youth should wake up. Revolution need to start. We need to do mass burial for them. That's my take.
Nigeria is older. The leaders in this country is older than this country. They have to be retired.
Yes.
Let's fight for our rights. All the youth wake up. Leave 5,000 matter.
Yes.
What's the 5,000 bo? Leave 5,000 matter. Oh. Okay. Oh, now go regret now.
5,000 cannot even buy a food for one day. So
a square meal in this country as I stand before you.
Yeah. All in the name of 5,000, some of the youth, they don't even know their left and right. It is time they leave 5,000 so that they can enjoy they can enjoy the usefulness of you. Look at, even during this COVID-19 period, we went before now, we were not cities of other countries. Even the government calling, we see they reach out to us. They say give us money for our
I see, and they share food for road.
Yeah? Then Nigeria during this COVID-19, they didn't even remember the country.
They will call the police. Our police were using it to eat money. They were beating our brothers who cannot buy face mask. The rest country share face mask for everybody. Nigeria will buy face mask by ourselves. In this country.
Imagine. Even up till now, even the face mask, if you know even face buy, just go to any nearest place that is close to you, any company, they will pack it for you. It's free.
You see?
We hardly use money to buy this one here. It's free. Even in our workplace, it's free. You don't buy all these things because the government has.
They set a mobile court for us. If you go out, they jail you.
They are providing for us.
They were using COVID-19 to make money in this country. In Nigeria, as I stand before you now, many people go to prison with fraction of fine because of COVID-19. Sickness when come, when we say government supposed to help person, they were using it to collect money. The lawyers and the judges start, the police, everybody, they were arresting people, brutalizing the people in sickness. When sickness day, it's a fucking country, man.
You can. Let me even tell you one thing that we are enjoying in other countries that Nigeria is supposed to do. Like here, if you are sick, you go to hospital, you have your doctor, they treat you free, they don't collect money. You have your hospital card.
Oh God.
You will not pay a dime. You just go there, you meet your doctor, you give them your hospital card. They treat you, they do your test free, they give you drugs. That's what we are enjoying here.
We don't even, my brother, wait first, excuse, brother. We don't even have a general hospitals that are rehabilitated in a good form in this country. Even in specialists, without money, you will die there. So all those, they are fed woefully. They need to be retired and buried, mass buried from A to Z, from Buhari to the end. Any person who don't test power before may die. May they kill me joiner.
Yes.
May they kill me joiner. So may the matter dey alright.
That is just it. They need to be retired.
I will not run away from my country. I will fight for my country till the day death do me part. If not today I want to die, I will not run from my country. This is my land and my mother land, my father's land, and this country most fertile, and we have everything in this country.
You can imagine. So that is it. So the youth need to understand is that many of us were in Europe, not to say we don't love our country Nigeria, but if you reach Europe, you yourself will say, and not
fear go let you come.
Don't treat you for a long time. They don't treat you for a long time, and the treatment they treat us don't too obvious because there are things that the city is supposed to be enjoying that they are not enjoying, which is bad. When we not be able citizens of other countries, what would they benefit? What country they enjoy? I'm not ashamed to Nigeria.
No problem. No problem. I'll hear you. May I pick this guy call? No worry. God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see, they have been promising us. They have been promising us. So we have to fight for our rights. Now that one they tell you now. They have been promising us that Nigeria will be all right. Now lie. See how if they hold Boko Haram, they will give our message. They will give our international school. If they hold kidnapper, they will kill them. If they hold armed robber, they will kill them. People are using barrel to steal money in this country. As we don't wake up now, people don't steal Nigerian money now. No less than 200 million. So don't take dollars. So don't take pounds. But to even give person 1 meal to eat, square meal, hard them. They will set up that they give human being. They have to throw it on waste bin, or they give dog, or they give them the lion or the animal, the domestic animal. Set up that to give us water to drink. They will go and be using it to water flower, whereby God have already created rain that will germinate flower and fertile in. When they hold Boko Haram, they go say they don't frown. But when they hold any small boy wey say na yahoo boy, they go say the way about una be thief. You people, the leaders of this country, make una retire on ourselves and from tomorrow. Mona just come out and from Buhari, start from President Buhari, retire yourself. I tell God beg you. Hello? Hello, who am I speaking with, sir?
Hello?
Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, you are speaking to Ambassador Joka. Yes.
Hello?
I dey hear you. You are speaking with me. You understand? Let's retire them. We have no independence. This independence is valued. So let from any person when you don't join them, fight for this freedom. Fake freedom when they fight for us, they should step down. From President Muhammadu Buhari as a military officer, they should step down. They should step down and allow the young generation to rule. If you are 60 years, go back, go and stay at home. Let your kids take care of you. Let with Nigeria take care of you. Let with the African young generation take care of you. If you are above 60, don't come to power again. I tell God beg you. I tell God beg you. Because all the youth now, let's fight for our rights. See Showore come that day, they intimidate him. Nnamdi Kanu come, they intimidate him. Who will he come? People are clapping for them. The police are suffering. The civil servants are suffering. The soldiers are suffering. The leaders are chopping the money. They are using toothpick to eat their meal after they eat finish. The soldiers are clapping for them. They will carry police custody for their compound. No good. Oh God of Nazareth. Now the pity person. When you don't put sasa for blind man food, you go know if it's too many. Una don't put sasa for our food too much. We have already know. We have already know in Jesus' name. So Omeguna Parkway. Nobody celebrate 60 years independence, 60 years humiliation, 60 years suffering, 60 years torment, 60 years wahala. What are you celebrating? Fuck you with your celebration. Fuck you with your motherfucker celebration, man. Do you need your celebration? What did you did for us to be happy with? What did you do for us? what your community, how you take boast the career? What do you put for your community when they will remember you? What are you celebrating? President Muhammadu Buhari, you are a disgrace, oh. You are a negative Nigeria, oh. You are a fuck up Nigeria. We hate you. You did not even try at all. This is not the way we expect you to do. You are a corny president. You are a ruler. You are not the president. You are not the presiding officer. You are not a leader. You are ruling us. We don't need ruler. We need leader that will lead us to promised land. God Almighty will not be very happy with you people that destroyed this country.
3, 5.
God Almighty will not be very happy with you people. My brother, God bless you.
Hello,
Good morning, brother. Who am I speaking with, sir?
I want to boy.
Najoka boy, they talk to. Najoka boy. So no black man, God bless you. Thank you. Ojo no. Other men, they are so that men who have a wallet.
I will put him on yourself. In your program, everyone have very well.
Aye, budu fa wa. My president in the country now. My presidency. We don't have president in this country. We don't have president. Nigeria has no president. Oyibo is intimidating us. Now they clap for them. I want to tell my brothers, any politician will come to Europe, will come to that place, anywhere where una dey, if una dey any African country, or una dey diaspora, any politician will come there, may una beat her to death. Tell the white man, say, this is the man that cause problem to your country. Me go dey here, I go dey fight them till the day they come and kill me. I must fight them here. Here is my mother's land, my father's land. I can never run away till this land is all right.
0.
Either I die put.
9.
Either I die put.
6.
They must change.
8.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, brother. How are you, Abba?
God
bless you.
So, we are
We are not dependent anything, oh. No independence. It's nullified. Yes. At all, because they look us like a corruption country. We don't have Nigeria. Let's divide this country. Oh. Let's share Gary. Let everybody know where it is. President Muhammadu Buhari, you are not the president of this country. You are a disgrace. No water to drink. See, now pure water they take now. We don't get health water for this country as a whole. They just intimidate Africa. Only Nigeria. At all. We will deport all their children. All from President Muhammadu Buhari to Vice President to Senate to Rep. All their children will be deported. Mona go find them. Any person when they diaspora, anyone when I see, Mona bitter to them. May they deport 12 now. Any of these our leaders in Nigeria, many police go call you. Say, "Now, Papa spoil this country. Now, Papa make you the suffer now. Now, Papa make you enter river." On Matananya, on my voting the party. On our winner, Market Abio, Moyo Senobla. We are going to no problem. God go do am. No worry, eh? God go do am. God go do am. We'll fight them. We'll fight them with all our hearts. With us, who worry? With us, who worry? You cannot leave house. Only light alone, your work no go lost. No light, no water. We are still talking about light after 60 years. President Muhammadu Buhari, you are disgraced. Leave that post. Leave that throne. Let 20 years old boy, Akat, make it enter there. The police and soldier, fight for your rights. Don't allow them to be killing you in Sambisa Forest. Mass burial from 1960 to this time. If you don't test power before, mass burial. Mona Kimi joiner. The one that Kimi joiner. So far Nigeria is alright. So far Africa is alright. God bless you. God bless you. Our country have defied themselves to see. I want to talk to my brothers in diaspora. Any person when we say the rule for this country, from president to senate to rep to any post where you hold, even though you be custom, you be big officer, you be a general of soldier, you be commissioner of police, your children no dey Nigeria school. If you not meet them for them, you not beat them. If any leaders go there, if you not meet them for them, if Buhari come there, you not beat them. Nothing dey happen. 6, 4, if 8, a Senate president go there, Mona Peter. Because this country is a useless country. It's a fucking country. It's a country that God needs for everybody to enjoy. Hello? Who am I speaking with?
Hello.
Oh, we have a respect. God bless you. God bless you, my brother. Thank you, my brother.
Hello?
I'm hearing you. My boy, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. Would they hear you? Hello? Yes.
Nigeria since 1960.
At all. Talk loud, no, they hear you. At all, that body my water.
If you are a Roman, you like Roman.
Yes. If you are a Roman, behave like a Roman. Okay. Topic on the topic in the marathon. Ebi Nigeria re ame yenya. Ewo any leaders in the semana. Also a title. It's a topic. Ewo deri ewo awon ebuna. Ewo deri ewo ni ba yeni. Mother tell you that bare. It's as another topic. At all. They want money. Now what the leaders teach them in the house? Senegal, Gambia, Ghana, they are Babylon, they will come back to school. You Nigeria say they come back to school, they win. Everything is in that country, yes. Yes. That they should coordinate themselves because if we have a problem in Nigeria area, really a big in Nigeria. That like you go to be. Our forefathers, they are liars. They like money more than themselves. That is why they say train your child so that it should leave a legacy with you. That way I want to see but me see no mo ki sere ale bai e baba wan de carry ugwa man ni wo kana re adu go mu oye do adumo we wo lebu oye do ari ele ya mi o kana mo enwe na ugwa odo ne gbesi ugwa re Nigeria no opportunity near or one or secondary navi company nya or ra do go na ni o so o do do ayo ni mu adari ti wo re ra hu na akitama anye we mu ka we re ori o are ori ale salary no so no gani o ki ya mo are no ya le bo say my brother when I find it's a topic, it's another topic. It's a good topic. Madam, money topic in that barry. Madam, warning. It's a good topic. Write it out for me. You get my number now. Call me. Write it out. It's a good topic. Ega for me Curtis. Eyo gede ekin. Eyo popo ekin. You see, youth are the problem of this country. Another man from diaspora town now. Vasovare, Vakiyo, Arobaga, a year, man fight, this. Now, cut be your problem now. Not be to go also your life. Round the cut is there where that's so worry. Round the Arobaga, a year, man fight, black ass, or is there where that's so worry. We are kidding, whether they practice a word or so all those Scottish, you see, now person talk that one now. Person don't talk now say Nigeria leader cause problem, but the youth still have more problem. That is why I say youth are the problem of this country. Narcotics be your problem. Where you come out, you leave house, you go to form of gede. Where you know be your papa play, go to buy gun. Tell they say that you be number one. You get power to be number one. Now God be number one. We are now playing who that the ticket. We are saying that sheba who the hasa who can fear rubbish. They say oga machine number one. You be number one. You know anything. Number one day where heaven day. The day where God day. Ake afino sisi. Emosi that bad. When so worry. When no go bad wale. What emosi youth problem money Africa now. The whole youth. Everyone will border that town now. Why what is a topic? I will warn all of people. If you are Curtis, leave court. Court has no level. Go and hustle and come out and invest. All Curtis is erect ba. No me and you don't know boku. Well, you know what my brother said? He said, you people that is in Europe, now spoil that place. Nigeria leaders spoil house. Say, una still get wahala. And Nigeria youth when they here, they still get wahala. 5,000 courtists. Now they phone courts. You want to become a guy. Now you remember that they respect you are, you be machine. Take a hustle money. When them will show you can for courtists due to the oppression of the lecturers, not intimidated or reform courtists. In Kenga house, Panwan house, later on I come former with Popo with gun. They will come bring gun, they kill each other. I touch my girlfriend. Say at the work, you leave that thing, no get level. Go and use that power when you get. Take manipulate the president when steal your money. They fuck am up. Make una use those power. When I tell they do that court, they say una get power. Come house. Come take a tell president say this money when they carry so may give you job. Say you don't want travel again. Nigeria is full at 60. Full at 60. Not full at 40 again. Say shameful thing to this country. I will rest my case now. By the grace of God, I want to declare Nigeria visa free. No president in this country. President Muhammadu Buhari, you are no longer the president of this country. We need 20 years, 25, 30, 40, 50. And from 51, we don't need you people. And from 60, we don't need you people. And from 70, we don't need you people. Mona Parkwell. Mona let this country reign. Mona let Africa reign. Make our brother if he come house. Then fear they let them come house again. They go to fight war. They are afraid to come out because Boko Haram don't start their own. Fulani Hasme don't start their own. Jihadists don't start their own. Kidnapper don't start their own. Police don't start their own. Soldier don't start their own. Civil servant, everybody. If you do anyhow, they will treat you anyhow. It's no longer accepted. If you do anyhow, they will respect you anyhow. That is what is happening in Africa. Person now go keep person. Immunity go carry. They say get brother. In brother and superior.
0.
So they will leave am for nothing sake.
0.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Am I speaking with Joka Boy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Who am I speaking with, sir?
Hello?
Who am I speaking with, sir? Na Joker Boy they talk to, sir.
This is not Joker Boy. I'm watching Joker Boy on.
Na me you dey watch. Na Joker Boy now. Na me you dey watch now. I dey see you now. What be your name? May I mention your name for here now?
Okay, and I may share your message just now. Now
Look.
maybe 30 days. You know the talk to me the other one.
Oh yeah, Bandegbe, Dero, Alpha. God bless you.
Oh, for him.
God bless.
I call it, where is that where that call it?
Okay.
They like people when they talk to.
Yes.
So anything for this matter carry soon, I call you.
Correct, correct, correct.
So what you dey talk?
Correct. God bless you.
Also going on that, I hear wetin one woman dey tell you just now.
Yes.
Hello?
I dey hear you. May Ebueta now.
Hello?
I'm hearing you.
Okay, I dey watch for life. I dey use my second for daily call you.
Okay.
Also going on that side, Italian is bad. Nigeria people no read Europe.
Oyo kwo okpeano oyo kwo okpeano Nico Ajim. Nico Ajim Itario, Nico Ajim. Nico no gbibo Italy. Okay. Ebosto, my box. Iriono. I dey hear you. I dey hear you. Correct. Egido wa wo hore. Obiaba, mara lu yewo niyan. Mara lu yewo niyan. We carry her fo. Carry her. Mara ni the court is whatever. Awali court is one level. Not that ebolo no gwa ni wodo able me court.
Okay, free school, free water, free life, free road, free Wi-Fi, everything free. As our Nigerian people waiting to their program, freedom is here. You not guy, you not be this one, you not be this one. Where you are now, brother.
What I will do for today, let's pray for our brothers in diasporas and my brothers in Africa. You people should not mislead yourself in Jesus' name. Some people bring out a point that you people are the problem of yourself. Cause the problem, will not worry about. I'm respecting my brother Imoisili, Imobisa Christie, James Young. I want to congratulate you for watching me all the time. Special thanks to my blood brother Ebo Stone. God bless you for watching me all the time. Special thanks to Odionbi Akere, my brother, the chairman of Butcher in Edo State. God bless you for watching me all the time. Destiny Jeffrey, special thanks to you for watching me. My brother, I want to take this one and write paper. Special thanks to you. Even though I don't know your name, you know, say I don't be Arab, I don't be French. So, God said, Hike, God bless you too. We are not celebrating independence in this country. The youth are the problem, both Nigeria and diaspora. They don't want to fight for the rights. They are fighting their own brothers due to suffer and smiling. We have to fight for our rights at this present time. Again, Ogbera, no time when pass, no they come again. Time wait for no man. Age is no longer my side as you are looking at me. See how my white head. You see them? They are growing. I don't use soap to bath. I use native soap to bath. I don't use cream to rub. I use native oil to rub, which came from the pantry. That is what God needed, and we have everything. We ran away because of the oppression of our leaders. We still get there. We are still condoning nuisance and irresponsible manner in the place we run to. Oh, in favor, Yeah, that is Owen. We are still doing it. We are betraying ourselves. A man raised emotion just now that when they get to Europe, they will be hustling. Then he's working where both rain, sun, and moon. Then the white man called him and said, do you have a brother that will come and join you because you are a good hardworking guy? He will not go and bring his brother. The brother will not come there and destroy the ministry and drive that man away from that job. Obey Metena. God bless you. He will still drive that in brother and committed an havoc to say Nigeria is not good. Our leaders are spoiling Nigeria. We that left home because of uncanny behavior of our leader, we are still spoiling the diaspora when we dey. Obigba, you cannot do any work and earn your money. You are forming cultists. What you did in home, that make you to run away from house. You are telling us you are a cultist. You are buying gun in the white man village. What buy to hustle money and bring to do good thing in your land? Osisi wekido ade, ogedebi popo wekido applying. Ebare oppressor ayo wekido alone. How to disgrace your brother? How to they beat people for street? Now you come the plan. You come up for us. You follow river. You follow air. Do you know that air is danger than river? That aeroplane when you enter. Because river is with the sea. Air is up. Do you know how many people have died in the plane? Do you know how many people in Africa that travel in the sea that die? The one that succeed, not be una dey hear. You succeed am, you no gree use your wisdom. Why can you say why not say, okay na gbode na tell matter. You go there go dey form cultist. You wan become number one, make dem dey hear you. You go there go dey say na you be number one. You no remember say number one dey house when even dey destroy your country. You no fit go challenger for your village. You no also money go take do small scale industry, go take do something for your village, buy landed properties, build houses, live financially buoyant. Then tell them that you want to tell them that our leaders have, you are go to Western world, go dey form cultist. 9 person talk just now. Say now even make oyibo hate una. Oyo iba zene boda bada ho ewon ba. Iba pete we so ne ba mu egbagbo. Ne mu egbe ne re amu afan. Afan na ma rogbe. I rogbo ya osisi is meant for the wild animal. It does not meant for human being. Why they give police? Because some human beings are doing something like an animal. That is why they give the government to take it to eradicate the animals in humans. Then you now who is not a force, you now that went to go and hustle, you will not go and buy a gun to use it to protect yourself. What are you doing with gun? Is gun your problem? Your problem is go and earn your daily bread and go and work and say the truth and make your money and come back home and enjoy your dividends. On the long run, they will kill you or you will go to jail. Do you know how many of our brothers are in prison in different neighboring countries, in Europe, in diaspora, in America, in everywhere, in let me say which is Arab countries, that some now they hang them to death because of envy of money. Our leader just open our eye. We too like money. See us, just wild. If you build a house, you will fit sleep all of them for one day. Let's say you have 3 bedroom now, or 2 bedroom, or one room, 1 parlor. Either you stay for parlor small, later you go sleep your room. Before you know the sleep don't catch you. If you have 3 bedroom, can you sleep the 3 bedroom? Your wife will be calling you, are you mad? Or your husband will tell you, mommy, are you mad? Here no contain you when they sleep, let's sleep here. You stay for parlor small, later you go sleep your room. You come over your room and go sleep in another room. Come over your room and go sleep in another room. Are you not a madman? What did you want to gain? If you buy the best car in the world, another car is coming that is more than that car. You build the best house in the world, another house is coming that is more than that house. In those days when we dey, na molders that they do. Later smelters gonna come. Today they are doing parapet. And $1 million come. They are doing another $1 million again. A lot of them is coming. So don't be greedy at this present time. Also use the little you have. Don't go and form cultists in neighboring villages. AJ Seba. Then you are not planning it. Say you are a cultist. say now you be this, now you be that, now you be number one, now you be number two, now you be this, now you be that. Which gain you go get for inside? See your brothers in Europe now Sunday the quarrel. Say now they cause problem when we both call now say animal. He say some African countries serve. If you say you are a Senegal, you are this, they disturb. If you say you are in Nigeria, they go say no, they don't give you work. Oh, Nigeria, they are miscreant. Nigeria hiki. We are one. We see worry. We sabo nede. We da loja. No na many. O kind die. So no blood ore agbera wo. So no blood are agbera wo. We da situation. We say that ni. We da go chemu we here. Know yourself. We are going here. We have kemu. We are really by. Here na we da no mu here. You are disgrace. Francis Sewell, God bless you. Silver Max, God bless you. V-Best, optimistic. I mean, we're really caught. We are only at this present time. We are only bo neria ebole boa nevaria hoge na re wenana no gboria nyevo robosi wori. Oria re minye no shen washon for your so na we are yourself. Yeah, that's my Alaji Progress. God bless you. Alaji Progress. Everybody is talking about your cosmetics and boutique for Rore Plaza. So Senobla Bomadi do and the anything no code la there. I show me down. God bless you.
7 1 1.
The honor not rebel bonanya cut is so do let me go to the store. Let me go to the store. Hello.
Hello.
God bless you, brother.
Yeah. Am I joking?
Yeah, you are talking with joking. Thank you, sir.
This is Romoseli. I'm calling from Lagos.
Oh, Romoseli, you man. Alpha. Correct. God bless you, my brother.
Yeah. There's one thing I want to point out. I really admire your effort and everything. I really admire it. Thank you. And keep it up. I always follow you both day and night. Whenever you are online, I'm always following you.
Correct.
It's like you are now a kind of channel to reach out to some people.
Okay, my brother.
I'm so concerned about my tribe, my Asian people in the Edo State.
Correct.
Now, everyone the boom believe we are minority. That is majority of Asian people. Their mindset is we are minority, which is lie.
That's Edo State.
We are Edo. There is no house in Esa land named Orial Edo. You understand?
Correct.
So they all registered in Benin and they all voted in Benin.
Yes.
Let me even put it this way: like 25% of the Edo, or even 15%. Then are they by the percentage in the Edo Central? You see, we are not minority.
At all.
And even the people now after when you find out there are different tribes.
Yes.
And even their own local government. We have about 5 local governments.
Yes.
There's no way you have to compare man to that place. We are advised here now. Please, always preach it anytime. That's our re-registration. Mm-hmm. The ESTA should come out a massive and registered. You understand?
At their own community. In their own community.
Hello?
In their own community, Abi?
Yes. They should register. Even here, I purposely left Lagos, go to Ubiaja, and register in Ubiaja.
Correct.
You understand?
Correct.
They should come out and register. And they should also stop with those useless INEC people, INEC officers, that always ask our people to go and bring one birth certificate. Never let the lady anymore. They have no birth certificate before they register our people. We know animal, they can register animal.
Yeah.
It's our time we take the bull by the horn. We should come out and register. Register. We need it. You understand? Because at Asian agenda, we have to start working towards Asian agenda now. It's not when the time comes, we will be shouting and the robots will. See, it's a simple logic. We should come out and register.
Okay.
Both
You have said the truth. You have said the truth. It's a poem. I will write it down. It's a poetic move. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
Always protect you for us.
Amen.
Thanks.
Yeah. Francis Obrekebo, OJ Desmond, Favor Koji. God bless all of you people.